Taking this road trip along the Apache Trail is like stepping into a living postcard of Arizona's natural beauty and storied past. Stretching approximately 40 miles from Apache Junction to the historic settlement of Tortilla Flat, this iconic drive offers a unique glimpse into the rugged landscapes of the Superstition Mountains and the rich tapestry of history that has shaped this region. As you navigate the winding roads of State Route 88, you'll encounter breathtaking vistas, towering saguaro cacti, and shimmering lakes, all while tracing the footsteps of Native American tribes and early pioneers who once traveled this ancient route. The Apache Trail, originally used by the Apache tribe and later developed into a stagecoach route in the early 1900s, remains one of Arizona's most captivating scenic byways. This journey promises stunning views and natural wonders. From the gateway town of Apache Junction, renowned for its Old West charm, to the rustic charm of Tortilla Flat, the trail weaves a historic story that invites travelers to explore its secrets and enjoy its spirit of adventure. Whether you're a seasoned road trip enthusiast or a curious traveler looking to uncover the hidden gems of Arizona, the Apache Trail promises an unforgettable experience that blends natural beauty with historical intrigue. Besides the beauty of the drive through the scenic landscapes, there are fun attractions to visit along the route: the Superstition Mountain Museum, the Goldfield Ghost Town, Lost Dutchman State Park, and Canyon Lake, to name a few. And you may even see wild horses along the way. The Superstition Mountain Museum is a destination that offers visitors a view into the rich history, folklore, and natural beauty of the Superstition Mountains and the surrounding region. Located in Apache Junction, the museum is an ideal stop for those embarking on a journey along the Apache Trail. Here are some of the exhibits you will see when you visit the Superstition Mountain Museum. Situated at the base of the Superstition Mountains, the museum is surrounded by stunning desert landscapes and panoramic views that set the stage for a memorable visit. The museum complex spans 15 acres and includes a variety of indoor and outdoor exhibits. The Elivis Chapel is from the movie Charro, filmed in Apache Junction at the Apacheland Movie Ranch. The Superstition Mountain Museum features a diverse range of exhibits that cater to history buffs, nature enthusiasts, and anyone curious about the lore of the region. Goldfield Ghost Town is an interesting and entertaining destination that provides visitors with a look at Arizona's rich mining history. Located near Apache Junction, just a short distance from the Superstition Mountains, this reconstructed Old West town is a fun and interesting stop along the Apache Trail. Here's a look at what you can expect when visiting Goldfield Ghost Town. Goldfield was originally founded in 1893 during the height of the gold rush. As a bustling mining town, it quickly grew as prospectors flocked to the area in search of fortune. Like many gold boom towns of the era, once the gold was gone, the residents move away, then its eventual abandonment. Today, the town has been rebuilt to capture the essence of the Old West, offering a rich blend of history, attractions, and interactive experiences. Goldfield Ghost Town is located at the foot of the Superstition Mountains, just off the Apache Trail in Apache Junction. The scenic backdrop of rugged mountain peaks and desert landscapes enhances the authentic Old West atmosphere, making it a picturesque spot for visitors to explore. Lost Dutchman State Park and the Superstition Mountains are both iconic locations in Arizona, offering visitors stunning natural landscapes, rich history, and a wide array of recreational activities. Lost Dutchman State Park is a beautiful 320-acre park located in the desert at the base of the Superstition Mountains in Arizona. It serves as a gateway to exploring the rugged beauty of the Superstitions, offering a wealth of outdoor activities for nature enthusiasts, hikers, campers, and photographers. Named after the fabled Lost Dutchman's gold mine, the park is steeped in legend and attracts visitors from around the world who come to enjoy its natural beauty and intriguing history. The park's landscape is stunning desert scenery, including towering saguaro cacti, colorful wildflowers, and dramatic rock formations. The Superstition Mountains provide a striking backdrop with their jagged peaks and rugged terrain. The area's unique geology and diverse ecosystems make it a haven for wildlife and a paradise for nature lovers. Lost Dutchman State Park is a perfect blend of natural beauty, outdoor recreation, and intriguing history. Canyon Lake is a breathtaking oasis located along the Apache Trail, Arizona Route 88. It is one of the 4 man-made lakes created by the Salt River Project and is nestled in the picturesque Superstition Wilderness. This scenic reservoir offers many recreational opportunities and natural beauty, making it a popular destination for both locals and tourists. Canyon Lake was formed in 1925 when the Mormon Flat Dam was constructed on the Salt River as part of the Salt River Project, built to provide water and hydroelectric power to the growing Phoenix area. The lake covers about 950 acres and stretches over 10 miles with a maximum depth of 130 feet. The Salt River Project transformed the Salt River into a series of reservoirs that continue to play a crucial role in water management and recreation. Canyon Lake offers many recreational activities, hiking, boating, swimming, and fishing. Tortilla Flat is a charming and historic town located along the scenic Apache Trail in the heart of the Superstition Mountains. This tiny town, known for its unique history and rustic Western charm, is the perfect place to explore the Old West spirit and enjoy the natural beauty of the surrounding desert landscape. The drive to Tortilla Flat takes you through the rugged and scenic landscapes of the Tonto National Forest, offering breathtaking views of the Superstition Mountains and the Salt River Canyon. This route is known for its dramatic scenery and narrow, winding roads, providing an adventurous journey to this historic outpost. The history of the town dates back to the early 1900s, when it served as a stagecoach stop and a camp for workers building the Roosevelt Dam. Today, you can visit the Tortilla Flat Museum, grab a bite at the Superstition Saloon and Restaurant, and get treats from the Tortilla Flat General Store and Ice Cream Shop. This is the last stop on our epic journey through the rugged and scenic landscapes of the Tonto National Forest. I hope you enjoyed this look into the historic and beautiful journey on the Apache Trail. Please like and subscribe. Click the bell for notifications for new destinations, and enjoy your journeys, destinations, and road trips.